Okay, let's take a look at determining the equation of an exponential graph. We are given in exercise 13 1.1 a point on the graph, the y-intercept, and the equation of the asymptote. So the point on the graph we are given is 119. The y-intercept that we are given are 0 is 0.3. And the equation of the asymptote is y equals minus 5. So first thing first, we obviously know the equation of the exponential graph is a times b to the power of x plus q. Now we know that is our q value, so we can already say y equals a times b to the power of x minus 5. Now to determine the first value, we're going to look at the a value, and we're going to take the y-intercept point because we want the x to be 0, because then that will automatically make that a 1, because anything to the power of 0 is 1. So let's do that. So we take this point, so y is 3 equals a times b to the power of 0 minus 5. So we are left with 3 equals a times, this is now 1, so 1 times a is a minus 5. And we take this minus 5 over, it becomes plus 5, and a equals 8. So far we know y equals 8 times b to the power of x minus 5. Now we take our equation and we substitute our point on the graph. So y is equal to 19. 8 times b, and x is 1 minus 5. So now I take over this minus 5, it becomes plus 5. So 19 plus 5 is 24 equals 8 times b, because b to the power of 1 is b. Okay, so here I'm timesing with 8. To get b alone, I'm going to take it over to the other side, which means if I'm timesing here, I'm going to divide there. So 24 divided by 8 is b, which then equals 3. So now I can just write down my equation. Y equals, we found the value of a to be 8, times b is 3, x minus 5. And that is how you find the equation of an exponential graph.